Alright, let's say it's snowing. There's already 3.5 inches of snow on the ground, and snow is falling at a rate of 1.5 inches per hour. It's predicted to continue for 7 or more hours. Now, this is assuming that none of the snow is melting, of course. It's saying if the prediction is correct, how many inches of snow will be on the ground after 7 hours? How much snow is on the ground? So this is like I see a rate in there because it says 1.5 inches per hour. Anytime you see the word per, it's telling you it's a rate. Like miles per hour, inches per hour, meters per second. Those are all rates. So I know that rates are also slope. And then it says that there are already 3.5 inches of snow. Well, that's your beginning amount. Now, your beginning amount is also known as your y-intercept. Y-intercept. So that's your starting amount. So I do need to know a couple things, or it's helpful. Y equals mx plus b is where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So this would make this problem way easier if we knew that. And now we just plug into the equation that information. So y equals, our slope is 1.5 inches per hour, so 1.5x. Our y-intercept is 3.5, so plus 3.5. And they tell us that it's after 7 hours. So that means I just plug in a 7 for, it says, what's next to the 1.5, which is our x. So x is our number of hours, so it's 1.5 times 7 plus 3.5. And if I do 7 times 1.5, I'm going to get 10.5. There's one number behind the decimal, so one number behind the decimal there. So that would be 10.5 plus 3.5, which gives us 14. So it'd be 14 inches of snow on the ground. Alright, I want you guys to set up one on your own. Here it is. Alright, go ahead and pause the video and try this question out. Alright, and now for your solution. Alright, did you label them correctly? The y-intercept's 5.5, the slope is 2.5. So into our equation, we just plug in 2.5x plus 5.5, and we know that x is the number of hours, so it says 11 hours, so it would be 11 times 2.5 plus 5.5. Then we got 27.5 plus 5.5. Geez, that's a lot of snow, isn't it? So 33 inches of snow if we add that up. Alright, hopefully you got 33 inches. Just remember that per means our rate, and you want to use it into slope-intercept form.